Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandipaa. In my channel Homeopath, I will be doing videos concerning practical application of homeopathy. So in academics, we also study many of the things which we will not apply practically. But homeopathy is something very dynamic science. Right? It is a science wherein you can get a miraculous results out of homeopathic medicines. In this series, I already done few videos about taking miasms. So we will be learning topics concerning the practical application of homeopathy, how to practically apply its principles, how to cure the patients, let it be fever or let it be cancer. It's nothing matter. Exactly speaking, any cancer or fever is as easy as we can treat and as difficult as we know, because fever also we want the totality, and cancer also we want the totality, individuality, so that we can reach the root cause of the disease, so that we can cure the disease in its total extent. So in this series, I want to talk about single dose. So in beginning homeopathic practitioners and in students, there is usually a confusion about single dose. So Dr. Hahnemann, what exactly he mean by single dose? Dr. Kent, Dr. Hahnemann and all of our master stressed on single dose. Single dose is not giving 5 pills or 10 pills and keeping quiet. Usually in my beginning practice, I was doing the same thing because I was a follower of Dr. Hahnemann, Kent and all of our masters. And I was waiting for the miracles to happen by giving 10 pills of aconite, 10 pills of belladonna, 10 pills of arsenical. The symptoms were matching exactly what I have taken, the case has been taken, and the evaluation, repertorization was, everything was perfect. But what is the understanding of single dose is important, friends. Dr. Hahnemann, Dr. Kent and all of our masters stress on single dose. What is the meaning of single dose? Dr. Kent in his lectures, he tells clearly that single dose is the medicinal substance required for the patient to trigger the process of cure. So this is very important, friends. What Dr. Kent, Dr. Hahnemann, all of our masters are stressing on single dose is, this is the medicinal quantity required to trigger the vital force to start its process to cure. So it is not possible by one single dose like what we call as 10 pills. So exactly speaking, single dose is a medicinal substance required for any of the patient, wherein the medicine triggers the curing process in the human body, so that cure will happen. So this single dose, what exactly Hahnemann, Dr. Kent and all the masters mean is, if you give a indicated similimum medicine in 5 pills, 10 pills, 50 pills, any amount of number of pills, for repeated doses to trigger the vital force, so vital force to start it process to cure. According to Dr. Kent, Dr. Honeyman and all the masters, this is the real definition of single dose. Not just giving 10 pills of indicated medicine and keeping quiet. So in beginning of my practice, I was doing the same thing, and all the patients were complaining no improvement. And I was confused, what is this happening? After discussing to my colleagues, to my friends and to my many homeopathic practitioners, I came to understand that single dose, not just giving 10 pills and waiting for the recovery to happen, give the amount of medicine required to trigger the curing process. So it may take 10 pills for 6 times, 10 pills for 10 times, 10 pills for 5 times. So this 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, if you repeat it for 2 to 3 days, then the vital force is triggered to achieve the required cure. So single dose means this is the medicinal substance indicated for the patient to trigger the vital force to start the process of cure. So after once I understand this thing, I started giving the same medicine for 3 to 4 days. That is morning, afternoon, night, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So like this, 3 or 4 days if you give the medicine, indicated medicine, then the patient was coming with a dramatic improvement in his symptomatic presentation. And the disease process was converted into cure process. Reappearance of the symptoms started appearing. Hering's law of cure was proving in each individual patient. So, one beginning practitioner and a new homeopathic practitioner should understand what exactly he means by single dose. This is very important topic, friends. So, if you understand a simplicity of single dose, then you can do miracles in each individual patients. So this is what I wanted to convey to you, that a beginning practitioner or the homeopathic practitioner, whoever is practicing, must practice very systematically, scientifically, and applying the principles of homeopathy as Dr. Honeyman, Dr. Kent and all of our masters wanted to do. So this is all about today's session, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In future also I will be doing such videos. If you have any queries, put in the comment section. If you have any special topics to be discussed on the YouTube, please put in the comment section. This is all today's session. Thank you and take care.